magpapa-enroll kami guys. Hi Darla!
Hey, mag-charge ako namin.
Yay! Finally, we are done and we are so ready for face-to-face class. So, bago umuwi, nagpapalamig muna. Itong tindahan na to ay nasa tapat lang ng school ni Darla. So, very accessible at tamang-tama, super init ng panahon. Ang daming choices, kaya nalito si Darla kung anong uunahin at o-orderin. So, meron silang halo-halo, may floats, may shakes, may juice, and meron silang pizza, and of course, ang napili namin ay mais con yelo para sa akin at milk tea naman para kay Darla. And here's our order. Yan. Excited ng kumain ni Darla. Yan. Time to go home na guys. Maraming salamat. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for uploads. Bye!